In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram trending AI images like this, and also how to write prompts properly for creative works. At the end of video, there is a surprise. So watch till the end. Let's go. Open a browser, type Bing Image Generator and click on this one. Then click on join and create. If you have an account, log in. Otherwise, click on create new. So I already have an account. I will log in. The interface looks like this. So we have 15 image credits for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it will reset. Okay, if you don't have any ideas, just click on surprise me. And this AI will generate an auto image prompt. And then click to create. This prompt is automatically generated by the AI. Here you can share, save, download and customize the image. Okay, now let's write about how to create an image like this. I'm using Notepad to write the prompt. First, declare the image style such as anime or realistic. Then mention the character's gender and age is optional, and describe their activities, and add filters like contrast, vibrant and saturation. This is my way of writing a prompt for generating AI images. Okay, I will copy this prompt and paste it here. Then click create. It is good, but I will make minor changes and create again. Yeah, this result is better. Sometimes the AI does not understand the prompt, so click create again with minor changes for a better image. Okay, now let's try the trending image prompt. Cat stole fish from the market. So I am writing the prompt. I complete the prompt. I just copy and I will paste it here and then click create. Yeah, this result also looks good. I will make minor changes to this prompt. This time I will change the cat into panda. Okay, the result is funny. Next I will try a 3D Pixar style image. Wow, again the result is funny. So I tried different prompts from various perspectives. Okay, finally, how to create an image that looks like an Indian style. Both a boy and a girl wearing traditional Indian dress, and the streets looks like an Indian road. I added some filters and I need ultra contrast. Okay, the final result is impressive. Alright guys, all the prompts in my description. Use them, and the image links also in the description. See you in the next video.